Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at Fein's paddle switch 4.5-inch angle grinder. Reason why is you can use it to cut tile, metal, and more. What I like about this version of the WSG7 angle grinder is the paddle switch is on the entire bottom of the tool. Now there's a toggle on it, and you need to engage that toggle and then press down on the paddle switch. So this is a really nice safety feature for the tool. The old WSG7, or the other version, has the switch on the side, and you have to engage that with your thumb. The vents are more in the back for the paddle switch version because when you grab the tool, you could possibly cover the vent with your hand. Now the other cool thing is this has 7 amps. It's a 4.5-inch angle grinder with 12,500 RPMs and a 5/8-inch arbor. The arrow on top of the WSG7 shows you the direction in which the blade will spin. So align the arrow on your blade with the arrow on top of the angle grinder. In this case, we're just going to flip the blade over. Then you can add your wheel guard and orient it any way that you want. Now the cool thing with this angle grinder is you can remove the 4 screws on the gear head and rotate the gear head in 90-degree increments to fit the most comfortable position in relation to the paddle switch. And I really like this feature on the new WSG7. It's cool. So install all those screws, add your wheel guard, tighten it down, put down your support flange, then your blade, and then your clamping flange. There's a locking button on top of the WSG7. Press that down, engage the blade, and tighten it. What I like about this paddle switch version of the WSG7 is you can hold it firmly in your hand while engaging the paddle switch. And this allows you to confidently cut through ceramic or porcelain tile. In this case, it's just ceramic 4x12 subway tile. Now we're using the DeWalt XP4 diamond blade. We also like Montelete diamond blades. But again, that coupled with the 12,500 RPMs is great. Now this is a little L cut through a piece of porcelain. And what we're trying to demonstrate here is you can make L cuts quickly and easily using this WSG7. That way you're not running back and forth to a wet saw, which is really time consuming. As you can see here, we've got a nice L cut. The other cool thing is you can couple this angle grinder with a diamond core bit, Montelete's diamond core bit. You want to hold the angle grinder at a 45 to the tile, slowly making it a 90, and then you'll be able to core through ceramic and porcelain tile. And this is great if you've got plumbing fixtures in a bathroom or a kitchen. Having the paddle switch as an option for the WSG7 is really cool. You can also get the other version as well if you like that. No matter what, you're going to have plenty of power with this angle grinder, and you'll be able to cut through any type of tile. Let us know if you have any questions down in the comments. We're more than happy to help you out. Take care. This is kind of cool. Check it out. There are deer right there in the background. They're always in the neighborhood, just chilling out.